Sloppy joes emerged as a cherished comfort food from the 1950s to the 1980s, easily prepared with flavorful ingredients such as ground beef and tomato sauce. In contrast, lobster thermidor epitomized luxury dining in mid-20th century America, combining intricate preparation with rich flavors and symbolizing an extravagant lifestyle of that time. Stuffed bell peppers established themselves as a staple in American cuisine, celebrated for their affordability and the ability to create a hearty meal using simple ingredients. The dish's appeal lay in its simplicity and value, serving as a complete meal within a single dish. This convenience made it an excellent choice for families seeking satisfying dinners. Moreover, the versatility of chicken pot pie allowed families to personalize it with various vegetables, enhancing both the flavor profile and nutritional value, making it a favorite option for busy households. Chicken pot pie also evokes a sense of nostalgia, representing an era when homemade meals formed the heart of American family life, with its aroma symbolizing shared comfort during dinner time. Liver and onions, once a source of essential nutrients and a dietary staple in America, have largely fallen out of favor due to evolving culinary tastes, with many now opting for lighter fare. Beef stroganoff gained traction in the United States from the 1950s to the 1980s. However, it has become less common as people now prefer lighter meals and diverse culinary experiences, still holding nostalgic value for many. Chicken a la king, once a beloved comfort food in mid-20th century America with its creamy mix of chicken and vegetables, is not as widely served today, yet retains its nostalgic allure. The preparation of Salisbury steak involved mixing ground beef with breadcrumbs and spices to create patties that were pan-fried or baked, contributing to its widespread appeal due to this straightforward method. Pork chops and applesauce epitomized mid-century American cuisine, illustrating the trend of blending sweet and savory flavors. This dish offered comfort and highlighted pork's versatility. During the same period, Swedish meatballs rose to prominence, known for their creamy sauce and cultural significance. They reflected a growing fascination with international cuisine, particularly Scandinavian flavors. This dish became a family staple for many of Irish descent between the 1950s and 1980s, showcasing cultural traditions and proving particularly popular during festive celebrations. Corned beef is prepared by curing beef in a spiced brine solution, resulting in a distinct salty flavor, typically slow-cooked with vegetables like cabbage and potatoes. Although its popularity has diminished over time, corned beef and cabbage remains a recognizable dish that reflects a rich cultural connection to Irish heritage within America. Goulash, an Americanized version of a Hungarian classic, soared in popularity from the 1950s to the 1980s due to its simplicity and affordability, becoming a beloved staple for family dinners and gatherings. Clam chowder holds a revered place in American culinary history, particularly in New England, where its creamy texture and rich flavors evoke nostalgia, often enjoyed with oyster crackers, symbolizing coastal traditions. Additionally, fondue parties, which gained popularity in the 1970s, provided a unique social dining experience where guests dipped various items into melted cheese or chocolate, creating memorable communal gatherings.